Meet the Shoebill Stork, the bird that looks like a real-life dinosaur. Its beak is over 9 inches, 23 centimeters long, big enough to swallow a baby crocodile. It can stand like a statue for hours, waiting to ambush prey. Its hunting style? Death from above, grabbing fish, frogs, and even baby alligators. Instead of chirping, it makes a machine gun sound by clattering its beak. With a 7-foot wingspan, it soars over swamps like a prehistoric beast. Shoebill parents only raise one chick. The strongest survives. That creepy death stare. It's how they focus, locking onto prey with zero blinking. Silent, deadly, and dinosaur-like. Who's obsessed with this bird? Drop A in the comments.